What if I told you that homemaking, yes, even scrubbing sticky countertops or folding piles of laundry can be one of the most meaningful ways to live out your faith and fulfill God's purpose for your life? Today, let's transform those everyday tasks into opportunities for grace, intention, and even joy. And make sure to stay till the end. I have a simple yet powerful challenge for you that could change the way you view your world at home. Plus, I will share several Bible verses that have been a guiding light for me in those tough moments. For those of you who are new here, I left my career a few years ago because I wanted to focus my energy in taking care of my family. I thought becoming a full-time homemaker would be a smooth transition. After all, I have been managing a home on the weekends, right? But I quickly realized it wasn't just about doing more of the same tasks. It was about finding purpose in them. Take folding laundry, for example. It used to feel like an endless cycle: fold, put away, repeat. But then I started approaching it differently. I would pray for the person whose clothes I was folding. Suddenly, it wasn't just laundry anymore. It was love in action, a prayer in motion. And that's when it hit me. Homemaking isn't just about what we do. It's about how we do it, the hearts we bring, the intention we set, and the love we pour into our homes. It's not about Pinterest perfect spaces or spotless floors. It's about creating a haven of peace, love, and faith. In Proverbs chapter 31, verse 27, she attentively oversees her household and does not indulge in idle living. To me, this verse speaks to the heart of intentional living. Homemaking isn't about striving for perfection. It's about being present, mindful, and aligned with God's purpose in everything we do. Even when you are managing yet another unexpected mess or answering a string of curious questions, we can remind ourselves that these moments are opportunity to grow in grace. Yes, they are messy, but they are also meaningful. Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Whatever you do, give it your whole heart, doing it for the Lord rather than for others. This verse can transform our perspective on homemaking. It's not about checking tasks off a list. It's about turning even the most mundane chores into offerings of love for God and for our family. You can start mindful homemaking with a single shift, inviting God into your daily tasks. Preparing dinner isn't just about feeding your family. It becomes an act of gratitude for the meal, the hands you're serving, and the blessings you share together. Tidying up becomes a quiet prayer for peace in your home. Slowly, the daily grind becomes a sacred rhythm. I know some of you might be feeling overwhelmed right now. Maybe you're juggling so much that it feels impossible to pause. Or maybe you feel like your worth is tied to what you contribute financially. And homemaking seems invisible in comparison. Guess what? God sees you. He values the love you pour into your home, even when no one else notices. As 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 4 says, "Let it be the beauty of your inner self, the lasting grace of gentle and quiet spirit, which is precious in God's eyes." Your worth isn't in what the world sees. It's in the quiet, faithful work you do every day. So, here's my challenge for you. Pick one task, just one, and approach it mindfully. Whether it's washing the dishes, setting the table, or preparing a meal, Do it with love, intention, and maybe even a little prayer. Notice how it transforms not just your task, but your heart. I've got more inspirational videos coming up where we will dive deeper into mindful homemaking, faith, and personal growth, and I can't wait to share that with you. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What is one task you would like to approach more mindfully this month? Let's start a conversation and support each other as we embrace this calling with love, intention, and grace. Thank you for spending time with me today. If this message resonates with you, please subscribe and join our community of women who are creating God-centered homes and growing in faith. Together, we can transform homemaking into a sacred, joyful calling. Until next time, may your home be filled with peace, love, and God's presence. God bless.